One of the things that crypto needs is an easy way for people to transact with crypto in everyday life. And some of the big companies now are working on this exact thing. Companies like Mastercard and Visa, they see the future of blockchain technology and they're trying to get out ahead of it now. In this particular video, I want to talk about what Mastercard is focusing on. And their focus right now is in five key areas to make crypto an everyday payment method, at least an everyday payment option for those who wish to transact in crypto. And before we jump in, just want to welcome you back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Zach, one of the many creators here on the channel. And thank you so much for coming back. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss all of the educational content that comes your way right here on this channel. And let's dive into the article here and talk about what Mastercard is doing and where their focus is right now in this bear market. And some may say that, man, they really missed the boat. What if they were already here last bull cycle? Well, it's still super early in crypto. And that's why you're seeing many of these big traditional financial companies just now stepping their foot into the crypto space. So let's talk a little bit about MasterCard and the five key areas they've identified to turn cryptocurrencies into an everyday payment method. Now, quick little backstory here. Last year, MasterCard partnered with crypto exchange Gemini, which is a pretty major exchange, to issue a credit card with cash back in crypto. And just in August, the payment system partnered with crypto exchange Binance, the largest crypto exchange out there right now, to launch crypto debit cards in Argentina. Now, so that's one area that they're focused on, right? Partnering up with existing exchanges, existing blockchain and crypto companies that have already solidified themselves in the crypto space. Now, the second area that Mastercard's working on is services for cryptocurrencies. Mastercard positions itself as a provider of cybersecurity services and provides advisory and banking services to already tens of thousands of financial institutions. The company itself intends to provide similar services to crypto. As a result, Mastercard has expanded its advisory activities to include the purchase of cryptocurrency. This month, the company introduced a new product called Crypto Secure for monitoring their digital assets and protecting against crypto scammers. Now, the third area is payments. Mastercard has partnered with several leading crypto-focused firms by the likes of Paxos, Circle. Circle's the company that backs USDC, the very popular stablecoin, by the way. Evolve and Uphold. Uphold is another exchange. It's actually where I hold my XRP, one of the few places you can still get XRP in the United States. But I digress. Together, the companies are trying to create ways to quickly convert crypto assets into fiat for making payments. Now, a fourth area that MasterCard is developing is in the metaverse and non-fungible tokens, right? Of course, Facebook has already changed their name to Meta. The metaverse, while many people argue what it will actually be, it's coming. How we know this? Well, we continue to live in a more technological world, right? We're continuing to be inundated and embedded within technology. Just look at your screen time on your iPhone, and that'll tell you how much time you're spending in the metaverse, right? And I think the metaverse eventually will be some kind of fully immersive place, right? So similar to like how we went to Zoom calls, right? Recently with meetings and things like that. What if you could actually, be in the room, right? With virtual reality. I think that's kind of where the metaverse is going, right? Where it feels more real than just a meeting on a computer screen. But of course, the big companies, they see this as a huge opportunity as well. And MasterCard is developing areas in the metaverse and NFT space. In January, the company announced a new initiative that allows Coinbase exchange customers to actually buy NFTs with their MasterCard. So these are just some of the areas that MasterCard has already had a footprint in. And again, this is super early on for a lot of these traditional financial companies who see the future in blockchain and are trying to get involved sooner rather than later. Let me know what you think about this down below in the comment section. Appreciate everybody stopping by and checking out this video. Hopefully you learned something. As always, make sure you subscribe for more content. Hop in the ClearCryptos Discord to get more information on when the launch is and everything that is going on with this project. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.